This is Angela. How can I help you?
There's a gentleman with like a rifle, in his front yard. He just like shot it straight up into the sky.
I had a guy that's threatening me over here around the skate park,
Okay.
and he went into his house and pulled a gun out, like a shotgun looking.
Do you have a description
And
of
he's
him?
right on his front. He's like pointing it at people. He's pointed it at me when I drove by.
Hey, side door opening. Gun? Can only see a little bit, bro.